And we're back to Learning Illustrator, and here day 205. Under Effects you will also find the Pathfinder. I don't want to go over all of these options. These are one-click options for the most part, but you can go to Window and there's another Pathfinder menu. Right here it is, and this contains all of these one-click options. So these are binary functions. You can use them to connect shapes, divide them, and perform these basic binary tasks. Let me just quickly show you an example, but I'm not going to go into detail. And the simple reason is that the Pathfinder was there in early days before the Shape Builder 2 existed. But once Illustrator introduced the Shape Builder, this Pathfinder menu has become a little bit obsolete. And I think it's way easier to use the Shape Builder tool, way more intuitive. But on the top you have these shape modes, and at the bottom here of this menu you have Path. Modes. Once again, if you use the Shape Builder tool, just left click to connect shapes and hold Alt and left click to delete shapes. And this is usually much more intuitive and easier to use, but still some people like to use the Pathfinder, these binary options. So you can find the menu right here. Just left click, drag it into your taskbar if you want to use it like this. And then you have it at hand. In this playlist, we're gonna stick with the Shape Builder tool whenever we need one of these binary functions. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.